Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Ford Focus key battery. First, gather your materials. You'll need a new CR2032 coin cell battery, which is commonly available. Also, grab a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in so you can clearly see the small components. This preparation ensures a smooth and easy battery replacement process. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually near the key ring attachment point. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. Gently twist the screwdriver to pry apart the two halves of the key fob. Be careful not to use excessive force, as the plastic can be delicate. The goal is to separate the casing without causing any damage. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a moment to note its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This is crucial for correct installation of the new battery. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Then, insert your new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards, just like the old one. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing. Press them together firmly until you hear a distinct click, indicating they are securely fastened. Once reassembled, immediately test all the functions of your key fob, such as locking and unlocking the doors, to ensure the new battery is working correctly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.